Do you want to become a millionaire by 2025? Starting from now, I'll be giving you 5 things to learn that will make you a millionaire by 2025 if you are willing to learn them. And the good news is that you can learn them for free. You can learn them for free. The first one is learn about cryptocurrency. How do you learn about cryptocurrency? Okay, how do you learn about cryptocurrency is very simple. Head over to your YouTube for free. Don't pay anybody dime to learn it. For free, you learn it, and then from learning it, you start making analysis and then start knowing the coin to buy. And I bet you, by the special grace of God, even if you don't have money, with some airdrops and some free mining coins, you can start from there, and God helping you, by 2025 you become a millionaire. Then secondly is learning app development. App development. We are in the 6 months of the year. You can use these 6 months to learn how to develop an app, and if you learn it very well, I bet you by next year you will become a millionaire. Not just by creating app for yourself, you can create app for people and they will pay you very well. All right. And how do you do that? It's simple. Head over to your YouTube channel, okay, search about it, and then you learn it consistently. Just all you need is a laptop. If you have a laptop, with your laptop you can do it. Then the third thing you need to learn is what? Website development. How to manage and build a website. If you can build a website, I bet you you are a hot cake, and by 2025 you'll become a millionaire if you can learn it very well. The back end, the front end, so many area of it. All right, you can decide to hook into a particular area, and then you will become people will pay you. The next one is well, some people will say forex trading. If you want to learn forex trading, no problem, but I'll tell you, if you are learning forex trading, learn forex to be teaching others. Don't learn forex to invest your money. Learn forex to teach others. People will pay you for courses, and then you will teach them. That is if you are ready to flaunt a fake life. Yes, most of them don't even have money. They borrow car from somebody, do video, and then motivate you. They just bought the car, and then you pay money. Let me tell you, 90% of people that teaches forex, they don't have the money. They are just faking it. They learn small thing from YouTube, and then they feel they are okay. They want to collect money from you and teach you. If you are the type of person that can do that, go ahead and do it. That is for you. Okay? And then the last thing I'm going to tell you to learn is data analysis. We are in the world of data. You can learn how to analyze data. Everything we do in life is about data. Okay? Analyzing data will make you a millionaire by 2025 if you are willing to learn. And it's not that really difficult. You can start from Excel and the rest of that. And all these courses are free on YouTube. I'm telling you, free. The problem is that you have not taken your time to search for them. Okay? They are free. You don't need to pay anybody. So if you have any other advice or anything you think somebody can learn now so that by 2025 the person will become a millionaire, tell us on the comment section. We'll be happy to have it. Thank you very much. Please don't forget to follow us, like, subscribe. I beg. Bye-bye.